Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Vauxhall Corsa SRI VX line. Now of course you do get your LED corner lights as your daytime runners. You then also get these brilliant 17-inch piano black alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear inside the tailgate now, we have plenty of room in here, including your single folding rear bench. It will fold down as one piece. Then coming back out and around again and just showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course, with this being a 3-door, you do have to use this little lever, which will then allow you to get into the back of the car. We have full cloth black interior with your middle inserts for the design. Then coming inside the car, we have a 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got your air conditioning controls in the middle. Then we have your touchscreen display, which comes with your various audio sources. We've then also got Bluetooth hands-free and satellite navigation. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the left. Over to the right, we have your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free and mute. You've got your source selection and your track selection as well. You've then got your volume. Onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk, and as you can see, this Corsa has only done 18,034 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Corsa, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.